Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to build an AI agent with the OpenAI Agents SDK and Restate that can recover automatically from failures. We will write the code, run it, break it on purpose and watch it recover. Let's get started. Let's first download the template and then open it in our favorite IDE. Navigate to agent.py. Here we see the code for the agent. The agent is a weather assistant. You ask about the weather and it calls tools to fetch data from the weather API to answer your question. The agent is defined as a standard OpenAI Agents SDK agent. Let's have a look at the tool. We use @DurableFunction tool to mark this as a durable tool. And within the tool, we use restate context actions to persist intermediate results in restate. Run typed wraps the API call so restate can retry it if it fails, and once it has succeeded, restate will remember the result. Finally, we create a restate service and a restate handler that can be called over HTTP. We call our agent runner from within the handler. Durable Runner is a runner provided by the Restate SDK that journals every LLM call and decision. If the process crashes, Restate replays from the journal instead of recalling the LLM. That's the whole agent. Let's run it. First, let's install Restate. Now, let's run Restate. Now let's run the agent. I already exported my OpenAI API key, so all I need to do is UV run. My agent is now listening on port 9080. Let's tell Restate where the agent is running. Navigate to localhost 9070 in a browser, then click Register Deployment, select localhost 9080. And here we see our agent pop up. We can send a request to our agent via the playground. The weather in Detroit is currently -12 degrees with light snow. Let's now see what happens when the weather API fails. In the code, in the fetch weather function, let's now add the raising of an exception to make the service fail. Let's restart the service and call it again. We see that the invocation is now stuck. Let's go to the invocation step to see what's going on. We see our invocation listed here. Let's have a look at the invocation. You can see the journal. The LLM call succeeded, and now the tool call is failing and retrying. The LLM response is already saved. We're not making duplicate OpenAI calls. Only the failing step retries. Let's remove the exception again. Restart the service. And now we see our agent picked up where it left off and is retrying the failed tool call, and finally successfully finishes with the response. So that's durable execution for AI agents. LLM calls are journaled, no duplicate calls on retries, tool executions retry automatically, you get full visibility into what is happening, and Restate also supports durable sessions, human-in-the-loop approvals, and multi-agent coordination. The tour of agents in the docs covers all of that. The links are below. Thank you for watching.